This will be a speed test between the Razer Phone 2 versus the Pocophone F1. Now they both have the Snapdragon 845. Razer Phone 2 has 8 gigs of RAM. This Pocophone F1 has 6. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Pocophone F1. And we are in. Go to settings on the Pocophone, about phone, go to Android version. As you can see, do have Pi installed. Go ahead and clear this out. Nothing open in the background on both. All caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the Messages app. Call that one a draw. Camera. Ooh, very close. You guys slow down the video for me. Clock. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome. Search for GSM Arena. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, faster on the right. I think, yup, faster on the Pocophone. Scroll to the bottom and go to the desktop version. Looking at the progress bar, and again faster on the Pocophone. Impressive. Pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on the F1. And not sure what's going on the Razer Phone 2. Could be the internet connection, not the phone. So you can take this with a grain of salt if you want. Here we go. Pinch to zoom on the Razer Phone 2. Nice and buttery smooth. Because of its 120 Hz display, leave it on this page. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Maybe the Razer Phone 2 on that one. Click on Uber. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Razer on that one. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Give that to the Razer. Click on this Samsung Gear S3. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. And give this to the Razer Phone 2. Tap to begin. Pocophone F1 actually faster running the game. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Festival. Ooh, very close, but I think the Razer is ahead actually. We'll confirm that in a second. And Razer Phone 2. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the Razer Phone 2. Will the F1 catch it? And give the win to the Razer Phone 2 on this one. Not sure what's going on with the Pocophone. Is it gonna start up the game? Come on, what's going on? Pocophone F1, come on. Well, not sure what's going on that. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Ooh, and give the win to the Pocophone on this. Although Razer Phone 2, I don't know, that was pretty close actually. Slow down the video for me. Tap to play. PUBG. Razer Phone 2's ahead. Will the Pocophone catch it? Ooh, and give the win to the Razer Phone 2. Too many pop-ups, annoying pop-ups. Get rid of all this BS. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Ooh, Razer Phone 2 way out in front so you can see. Ooh, that was hella fast. Wow. And give the easy win to the Razer Phone 2 on this one as you can see. Wow, that was really fast on the Razer. Twitter. Razer Phone 2. Instagram. Razer again. Snapchat. Razer Phone 2. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. So you can see, now I gotta say on the Pocophone F1, I do like how this looks on the multitasking here. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Instagram, good to go. Twitter, good to go on both. Grand Theft Auto, ready to play on both. PUBG, ready to play on both. Now keep in mind, Pocophone F1 is about half the price or less than half the price of the Razer Phone 2. This one also has 6 gigs of RAM. Razer Phone has 8, so let's keep going. Asphalt 9, good to go. Angry Birds 2. Ooh, it didn't load right away on the Pocophone F1. Now it's starting in game. It didn't really restart the game. There you go. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Mario Run. Ooh, we have a reload on the Razer Phone 2. What is going on here? eBay. And faster on the F1 actually. Wow. Amazon. Faster on the F1. Play Store. Good to go. Calculator. Same place. Chrome. A little bit faster on the F1. Clock. Still running the stopwatch. The camera. There you have it. Messages. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the Pocophone F1? Now, this phone has excellent bang for buck. Snapdragon 845, 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM options, decent camera, all for a very nice price. Or do you have yourself the Razer Phone 2, coming in with a super smooth 120Hz display, excellent front-firing speakers? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.